you're going to go to Prezi.com, go to log in. Once you click log in, you will go to the sign up link. Hit sign up. Where it says basic individual teams, you will click basic. And where it says basic, just the basics, create, share, and store beautiful presentations online that anyone can view. Start today for free, continue. Then you're going to type in your information, your first name, your last name, your email address is your school email address, and come on and enter your password. Then you have to say you are not a robot, and then hit create your free basic account. And if you see, it tells you on the side what this does for us. For just our basic one we have is view on any device. So we can work on it together as your group. Oh, your password has to be at least 8 characters. So your password probably should be your school password that you use with your school email address. That would be what common sense would say. So then it'll pop up and look like this. It says, let's talk about you. So what you're going to say is you are a student, because you are a student. Atkins will hit educator because I am an educator, but you will click student. So then you can see this is what it'll look like. There's a getting started video that you should watch. And then afterwards you can start your presentation. With this you can add pictures, information, and all different things.